Then I measure from K to D. All these parts were supplied to us by Ressurected Classics. So if you're new to the channel, this is my wife's $300 Datsun 240Z that we are rebuilding. So when you buy a $300 Datsun, you can expect to have to fix a lot of problems. It has needed everything. We started this build, I think we had 150 subscribers. I was posting every week and we quickly grew to over 10,000 subscribers. I took a short break to get my own project truck running. I bought this $800 1966 F100 short bed. Had good-ish bones. The frame. We're chassis swapping this thing onto a completely different chassis. But now we're back to work on the Datsun. Early on in the project, I made everything myself. Floor pans, made them myself. Battery tray, made it myself. Little patch panels, made them myself. Secret compartment tray, made it myself. Spare tire delete. The edges, but check it out. Made it myself. That all changes today because Ressurected Classics has saved the day. Let me show you. So we got box. What was in those boxes, you might ask? I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. So if you haven't watched the last video, that I released on the Datsun, showed you guys the brand new roof skin, the roof that was on it. Looks like it was shot up with a shotgun. Literally, I cut the light off in the shop, put a light behind it, and it looked like the car was in a war. But it now has a beautiful new roof supplied to us by Ressurected Classics. Now, what is the next area that I'm gonna have to tackle? That will be in the next video you guys see. It's this section right here. Radiator support area. It is trashed. And I do mean trashed. Look behind here. So yeah, right now I'm right in the middle of filming. You can see the DIY rotisserie. I have taken it off the front. Got the front supported. I'm in the process of getting it level and taking a bunch of measurements. And then I'm going to get into installing. Once I get all the measurements made, get a brace in place. I will get right into cutting this one out and installing the new one. Now, I've looked all over the internet. I can't find one single video of that process being done as far as cutting out the old one and installing a new one. There is guys that cut out the front and just go tube front. That's not what I'm talking about. So I'm curious if there's more Datsuns that need this part. If so, I hope my journey of replacing it can be a help to them. I'm excited to get back on this build. I'm also excited for those of you that have still stuck with us. You'll get to see me use a replacement panel. We did it on the roof. Now we got to do it here. And yeah, go back and check out the last video on the 240Z. So also, if you didn't, go check out the last video I posted on my shop truck.
We going on a little test drive, shakedown. This will be the truck's second adventure out. Wife's going with me this time. Everything will go right, right?
Perfectly.
I'll let you hold that for a sec. Sorry about that.
A little dusty. Dusty. Help!
Covered in dust. That's not what you want.
So this truck right here was on jack stands for basically 3 years. And there's a full playlist on it. It's a 66 F100. Me and my son swapped it onto a 2006 Crown Vic chassis. Did a custom exhaust work on it. Fuel cell, bed mounts, gauges, shifter, LS under the hood with a cam. Hopefully you guys are excited. More videos to come on that, as well as my wife's Z. Yeah, it's been a minute. I'm getting back in the flow of this weekly YouTube thing, so hopefully you guys are excited. I'm about to get into tackling this right now. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.